Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson. I'm at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, and I'm going to show you our 2019 NXT22. This boat's beautifully colored with silver and orange metal flake with a white hull and a cloud white interior with orange. We got the teak deck on this. This boat has a folding wakeboard tower with bimini. It's equipped with the 5,000 multi-port injection 323 horsepower engine, so plenty of horsepower for your family to do wakeboarding, wake surfing, and skiing. This boat is a 22-foot boat with plenty of room for you and your family and all your friends. It has a great wake surf wake, and it does great wakeboarding, and also if you like to slalom water ski, it does that. But for you and 14 of your friends in this boat, there's tons of storage, huge storage under here. All the seats flip up for storage. Great port side storage. Right there is also the carpet. This boat does come equipped with a gray marine graded snap-in carpet. We just haven't installed it yet. Pretty cool over here. It's got your hidden stowed away cooler built in. Comes with a Clish stereo system. All your controls here for running all the surf systems and wakeboarding and ballast tanks. Up front here it has ample storage under both flip seats, and it has a hidden anchor storage. So come on out to MarineMax in Greenville, or check us out on MarineMaxGreenville.com and check out the 2019 NXT22. Awesome boat to get out on the lake to do everything that your family and friends could possibly want to do. This boat does it all and does it really well. Thank you.